and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Rape of female photojournalist in Mumbai angers India. 5 arrested within 24 hours. Goan journalists condemn the incident. Women found murdered with slit throat at Gaondongri. Local suspect rape and murder. Police arrest 5 accused in discotheque vandalism case. 32 goons involved in crime. Police suspect personal enmity. Michael Lobo unhappy with government's decision on bar timings. Demands revocation of decision. Asked to keep pubs open till early morning. And Sakit Kumar of Karnataka takes sole lead at Fomento All India FIDE rating chess tournament. Goa's Nitish Belurkar and Suhasa Snorkar in 4th and 5th position. And now the news in detail. In a shocking incident on Thursday night, a female photojournalist was gang raped in Mumbai. She was with her male companion on an assignment work. The girl has suffered grievous internal injuries and is taking medical treatment in a hospital in Mumbai. Police arrested all the 5 suspects within 24 hours. Meanwhile, fraternity of journalists have condemned the incident in Goa. A 22-year-old photojournalist was on an assignment work when she was gang raped by some assailants. The rape incident occurred at the Mumbai Shakti Mills. She was accompanied with a male colleague. Both the companions were separated by the assailants to rape the modesty of the girl. The photojournalist has suffered grievous internal injuries. She was immediately shifted to a hospital for medical treatment. She is out of danger and is stable.
इसके साथ साथ हम एक और दूसरा एक निर्णय हम ले रहे हैं आज कि इस प्रकार की जो सुनसान निर्जन डिलापिलेटेड जो जगह है उसके मालिक को वहाँ पर जो बोर्ड लगाना चाहिए कि यहाँ पर जो है ट्रेसपासर जैसे लिखते हैं कि ट्रेसपासर विल बी प्रोसिक्यूटेड। इसमें देखो आपको मैं बताना चाहता हूँ जो अमेंडेड सेक्शन है 376D उसके आधार पर कम से कम 20 साल की सज़ा उसके अंदर है। 20 साल की सज़ा कम से कम है, उसके अलावा लाइफ इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो सकता है। मुंबई पुलिस विल डू इट्स बेस्ट टू कलेक्ट ऑल द एविडेंसेस, क्लिंचिंग एविडेंसेस, साइंटिफिक एविडेंसेस so that a full proof case is made out in the court and they get the maximum punishment. And we will also request the government that this case is conducted by a fast track court.
Fraternity of Goan journalists condemned the incident. They held a protest meet at Azad Maidan in Panji on Friday.
जर्नलिस्टांचे विमेन जर्नलिस्टांचे जर असो अत्याचार जावपाक लागलो तर तेंच्यांनी भायर सरपाचें कशें तेंच्या आवय बापायन तांकां परमिशन कशी दिवपाची की तुमी बाबा फाल्यां जर्नलिस्ट जाय म्हणून म्हणजे आमी दिसा राती काम करपाचें आमी खंयच्याय घटनेक खंयच्या हातून केन्नाय वचपाचें कॅमेरा काडपाचो आमी आमचे पेन भायर काडपाचें आनी तेजेर आमचो अत्याचार जावपाचो जेन्ना आमी ऑन ड्युटी आसता तेन्ना आमकां प्रोटेक्शन कितें
आमी हेजो निशेध करता आनी अश्यो घडणुक्यो आतां ही मुंबय जाल्या फाल्यां सकाळी गोंयान सुद्दां आमच्यो खूब अश्यो भयणी आसात जो फोटोग्राफी करता आनी रिपोर्टिंग ती वेगवेगळे जाग्यांचेर वयतात जे अनवळखी जाग्यांचेर वयतात आनी अशे अनवळखी लोक सुद्दां मेळटात थोडी आमची रातची काम करून वयतात जी रातचे बसींनी प्रवास करतात तांकां सुद्दां असो धोको जावंक शकता किंवा कोण छेडछाड करता हेज्या खातीर सरकारान पत्रकारां खातीर जी येवजण केल्या सुरक्षा हेज्या खातीर ती करची अशें आमचें मागणें आसा.
It is known that the perpetrators had taken the girl inside the compound of the mill on the pretext of helping her to get permission to take photographs. She was then gang raped inside the compound of the mill. With Bureau Inputs, Kishore Naik for Prudent. A woman was found murdered in deep forest with her throat slit in Gaondongri at Kankon. Locals claim that the 40-year-old woman was missing from last 2 days. They suspect that she was raped before she was killed. Former Sarpanch of Gaondongri claims that such murders are frequent in the area and police do not even take cognizance. Srimati Gaonkar, aged 40, resident of Gaondongri, was found murdered in Nane Deep Forest on Friday. Her body was found with a slit throat. As per the locals, Srimati was missing from last 2 days. Some suspect that Srimati was raped and then murdered.
चालू सांगतालो आता की बुधवारा सांची गेल्ली म्हण आमकां कांय खबर ना पूण हेजे पळय जाला तेजेर खंय तरी सक्त कारवाय जावची.
हेच्या पयलीं अशें केसी जाला तेंचो कितें तपास लागला
जाला पूण तेजेर कांय जालें ना जाला अशें पूण तेजेर कांय जालें ना.
Former Sarpanch of Gaondongri, Ashok Velip, claims that many such crimes take place in the area but police never take the crime seriously.
एक गांवांत मर्डर जाली जाल्यार ताका एक बाकीच्या गांवच्या लोकां कडच्यान दबाव येता कित्याक जालें तें जालें अशी ह्या लोकांची वेळी लोकांक समज आसता ती कित्याक जावपा जाय नाल्यार तो गेलो परत आनी कांय निश्पन्न जावपा ना अशें म्हणून दबाव येता आनी मागीर तें मिटयता.
खबर आसता कोणी कितें
खबर आसता कोणी कितें केलें तें पूण त्या खातीर हेजी सकल चवकशी जावपा जाय. आमी रोखडेंच धांव घेता कोणा कडेन आमदारां कडेन मंत्र्यां कडेन आनी कोणा आमचे कोण हें आसा तेंचे कडेन धांव घेता आनी ती निभावता पोके करता आनी म्हणून हें चड घडटा पूण हें चड अशें जावचें न्ही म्हणून हेचे खातीर कितें ही तरी केस सामकी रेप करून तेजे खूनच केला असं आमकां दिसता.
Kankon police arrested Ullas Velip late evening on Friday in connection with this crime. Further investigation is on. Reporter Babesh Borkar for Prudent. Porvorim police have arrested 5 accused in LPK Waterfront Club vandalizing case. Initial investigations suggest that total 32 goons were involved in the crime. Accused claim that they were denied entry in the club, so they attacked the club, but police suspect personal enmity behind the attack. Porvorim police on Friday arrested 5 accused in LPK Waterfront Club vandalizing case. The accused are Jayesh Chorankar from Shioli, Parimal Pandit from Ansabat Mapsa, Rupesh Kadekar from Kohli, Umesh Pujari and Dominic Nazareth from Mercedes.
It was a planned activity and they all planned it together about 2 or 3 days back and they executed it, and as we all know they created a lot of damage. So we are hopeful of finding more leads through them, but as of now this Dominic Nazareth has come out to be the leader of this gang and he is the one who's planned everything.
During the initial interrogation, accused have said that they were in a group of 32 with 16 scooters. Accused claim denial of entry made them furious. However, police is suspecting personal enmity.
Reason we are still finding, we are trying to establish the reasons, but as of now it looks like some kind of enmity, but we are not very sure, we haven't established that.
Arrested 5 accused will be produced before the court on Saturday. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Kalangut MLA Michael Lobo is not happy with the government's decision to shut down pubs by 1 at night in the state. He says it is not a healthy decision. The MLA from Tourism Belt has demanded that CM should revoke his decision and keep the pubs open till 5 in the morning. However, he has welcomed government's decision to shut down wine shops by 9 at night.
We welcome the decision of the government to restrict the timing of wholesale liquor shops or wine shops in the coastal belt or anywhere in Goa to 9 o'clock. जे आधी 11 पासून आसले ते 9 पासून होलसेल जे पेट बॉटल्स विकतात रातचे 1 bar and restaurant will remain shut is not a very healthy decision and is not a right decision as far as tourism is concerned in Goa. हांव इतलेच म्हणटा स्टेट गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन म्हाजो रिक्वेस्ट ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर हू इज द मिनिस्टर फॉर एक्सायज म्हाजे कडेन रिक्वेस्ट आहा की आदलो आमचो टायमींग जो आहा 5 o'clock तोच दवरचो इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ ट्युरिजम. आनी जे कोण रॉंग करता, कोण लिकर पिवन गाडी चलयता तेचेर स्ट्रिक्ट एनफोर्समेंट घालचें.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.